Hi everyone, welcome back to the Health Benefits channel. Today we're talking about the healing effects honey has for your body, mind, and skin. Shall these facts unlock the gate to your goals? Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll never miss our health-related insights. First off, honey is packed with antioxidants like phenolic compounds, flavonoids, and enzymes. These little guys help fight oxidative stress and protect your cells, keeping you healthy and vibrant. But that's not all. Honey also has fantastic antibacterial and antifungal properties. Imagine treating wounds, burns, and infections, even those stubborn antibiotic-resistant ones, with just honey. Just apply it topically, and it creates a protective barrier and speeds up healing, all while nourishing your skin. And wait till you hear about Manuka honey. This special type of honey has super strong healing properties due to its high antibacterial activity. It's like magic in a jar. Plus, if you've ever had a sore throat or a cough, honey can soothe it right away, often just as well as over-the-counter meds. It's a must-have during cold and flu season. Honey is great for your digestive health too. Its prebiotic properties feed the good bacteria in your gut, helping with digestion and overall gut health. And nutritionally, honey is a superstar, loaded with vitamins and minerals like B6, thiamine, niacin, riboflavin, calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium. Even though these nutrients are in small amounts, they add up to big health benefits. Need an energy boost? Honey's got you covered with its natural sugars, primarily fructose and glucose. Just a spoonful can give you a quick energy lift, perfect for athletes or anyone needing a pick-me-up. Honey also has amazing anti-inflammatory effects, helping to reduce inflammation throughout your body and manage inflammatory conditions. And get this, some people think eating local honey can help with seasonal allergies by exposing you to local pollen. How cool is that? Though, we do need a bit more research on that one. In skincare, honey is a total game changer. It's moisturizing and antibacterial, perfect for treating acne, eczema, and dry skin. No wonder it's a popular ingredient in so many skincare products. Now, even though honey has a lower glycemic index than refined sugar, meaning it causes a slower rise in blood sugar levels, you should still consume it in moderation, especially if you have diabetes. And here's a crucial tip: never give raw honey to infants under 1 year old due to the risk of botulism. Honey is just so incredible with all these benefits, it's definitely worth adding to your daily routine. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about health benefits, make sure to watch our videos. And if you have any questions, please place a comment below or contact us through the mail in the description. We will reach out to you. We wish you a lovely, healthy day.